Let's see if we can put over 10 kilos of filament on this RC car. Is it gonna break the gears? We will find out. Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna take a rest from designing and 3D printing on computer. We're gonna be unboxing this Scania 770S, which is a fully licensed body, which is I really like about it. And I never had a truck like this before, so this is the first time you're gonna see on this channel. And for the price, it has a lot of features which we're gonna check it out together. So this version is the truck and also the trailer. You can get the truck only, and this is what I got, the trailer and the truck together. This is 1/18 scale. I don't have any cars for 1/18 scale, but we're gonna do something crazy about it and see how much it can pull. So let's unbox it and see what we have. Everything packed very well. Here's the truck. We're gonna take it out. Oh, that's good. Here's the controller. The remote control looks very professional. We have so many buttons for the trailer, for the lights, sound. Yeah, we will check it. And here's the trailer. Okay, the trailer comes in few parts, which we're gonna put it together. And here's the rear ramps. We have a 2S LiPo battery. We have the charger. We have another small battery for the trailer and some tools and the cabs for the wheel. We also have a manual. Let's look at the truck. Oh, looks really nice. I love the paint job. The mirrors are foldable as well, but the door is not opening. We also have a suspension, which is not that much, but still we have a suspension. And the trailer locking is also motorized, but overall looks really nice. All right, let's put that aside and look at the trailer. All right, everything is plastic, but the paint job is really good. Like, it feels like a metal if you see it from far. They did a really good job with the painting. Okay, and here's the trailer. Oh, we have leaf springs. That's nice. And also there's another switch here for the trailer, and the small battery goes here, which we're gonna see. All right, we're gonna put the trailer together and then put it on the truck. I'm happy to announce this video is sponsored by PCBWay. If you are thinking on custom design and need PCB board, sheet metal fabrication, injection molding, or 3D printing, they can do all of that. Link in the video description box below. Back to the video. So this bottom is the sound, this bottom is the light, and we have trailer going up and down. And let's start with the sound first. It's a bit loud, but nice. Let's see. So this is the slowest we can go. And oh, we have warning light when it's reversing. And also the sound changes with the steering, which is nice. Okay, it is powerful. Let's see how much is that force. Huh. It is nice. We have some power. Okay. Let's turn on the lights and see how they are. So this is the light. So we're gonna press it one time. Okay, no brake light and no reverse, only we have warning light at the back. So when it's reversing, we don't have reverse light. Okay. Alright, with the small details for that painting looks way better now. Now we're gonna attach the trailer with the truck and pull something. But I don't have any 1/18 scale car, so we're gonna put filaments over here. I don't know, we will see how much it can carry, and we're gonna do the maximum and see how much it can pull. So we're gonna do something crazy. Okay, now we are connected. We can also lower the ramp. This is the slowest you can get. We'll turn on the lights. Okay, it's a bit loud, so we're gonna turn that off, and now we're gonna put some filaments on it. Okay, let's see if it moves. I don't know how many kilos we have because some of them is a bit less, but we can say it's about 9-10 kilos. Okay, let's see how it moves. Yeah, it moves. No problem even with the steering. right now we know it's moving, and that way it's not a big problem for it. We're gonna take it to the bigger space and drive it. Let me know what you guys think about it. Should I do another video? If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comment section below. I will make sure to put the product link in the description box below if you want to check out all the details and the features that it has. Okay, now you can rest. That's it.